Tonight, some parents are going public for the first time since the heartbreaking floods in the Hill Country. The moms and dads who lost their little girls at Camp Mystic have a message for state lawmakers. Senior political reporter Jason Whiteley just spoke with Wynn Naylor's parents, and he's here to tell us what they share.
Well, Chris, you know, this couple is courageous just to come forward here in their first TV interview. They say too much is at stake with the legislature now winding down in Austin over the next couple of weeks. Cole and Allie Naylor there lost their 8-year-old daughter Wynn last month in those flash floods at Camp Mystic. We got to know her better today, a vivacious 8-year-old who loved the outdoors, couldn't wait to go to Camp Mystic and bond with the other little girls that she roomed with there at the Bubble Inn cabin. The Naylors also shared the confusion around what happened, their desperate search for information, and the one request they now have. With 16 days left in the state legislative session here, the main flood safety bills, the camp safety reform that could help prevent another disaster at camps, it is yet to be fully sorted out.
This has to be done this year. You know, the legislature doesn't go back in session, as you know, until 2027. There's going to be a camp season between now and then. We want there to be a camp season between now and then. We want camps to continue, but we want children to come home from camp next year. We don't want another disaster that people aren't prepared for.
Lawmakers tell me this is a priority for them, but the Naylors want lawmakers to make sure they mandate 4 things: to keep cabins out of floodplains, create an early detection system for flash floods, and that bill did just pass last night. It's going to the governor. But requirements to improve training and revamp response, those have yet to be finalized. This is the first time the Naylors have spoken publicly about what happened to their daughter. Tonight on WFAA News at 10, they shared personal stories about Wynn, the phone call they got, and a message for other parents. Join us for that tonight on WFAA News at 10.